3, 2, 1.
The Sundered Blade will never serve!
Hey,
Watch the bomb.
don't get early, please, but we'll adjust.
Your resistance
Push back.
weakens.
Fade towards the center. Still lines coming out. Raid group on X. Get on me. And move. You're gonna bait towards us, melee. Baiting towards the lock. I have an X on my head. So lines, watch feet. We're gonna go ahead and bait this back here if we can. Watch your feet.
Bend to me and incineration.
And now we move as a group. We'll just spout a res that. Alright, we're just chilling doing solo lines. When she pops, spout a reser. Grip her. Watch these lines. Get better reser. Watch your feet, please. Reforth the raid. Like to see if you actually need to be here. Look at your buff. One person behind. One person behind.
Nova's behind.
Dust yourselves. Top personals.
Power surges.
Bump the boss. Got 3 seconds here.
Such
Hey.
potent energy here. For those strong enough to seize it.
Going down soon.
Darkness.
Yeah, I'm blue in
hides
3,
delicious
2, 1. Blue. Perfect. You guys got 8 cycles. Just go ahead and pick up your starts. Go ahead and come up and bait.
Within the scale of the universe, you are nothing.
Range stay group for the bomb bait. Just adding the boss.
Void is mine.
There's bomb 1, move. Bomb 2, move. Alright, look at that hole. Do not get knocked into it. Get ready to take a knock, but avoid that hole to our right. Good job. Ranged on your leisure, you can mosey on over. And I need to be here.
The abyss beckons.
Get bait. Beyond skull unless assigned. Gates will go down soon.
Eternal
Look at the gate. Getting bad. Watch these holes as we bait these bombs in 3.
void is
1, move. 2, bait on the edge here. Good bait.
eternal suffering.
Watch your feet here. Alright, clean up these ads.
Will make the world
Need to clean these guys up. Alright, on me. 3, 2, we're over here. 3, 2, 1, go.
gaze into the endless dark and despair.
Good adjustment there, guys. You guys eked a little bit more boss down, so def worth. And you're up in 2. And you're up in Iron Condom. And just destroy the boss.
You will be cast into the
There's
void.
1, move. 2, go to center. And out, watch your feet.
Burn in the light of a dying star.
Find safe, it's in the center.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Alright, gate's gonna go down.
Eternal
Alright, look at gate. Be on the right side of this. And pop personal. Stack on X. And out. Adds and boss. It's ranged on X on me. Bomb soon.
void is mine.
Bomb 1, move. Bomb 2. Take that to X, please. Watch your feet. Barrage is soon. Suck into the boss. Don't barrage the raid. Look at where these are. Don't get hit by a swirl while we're doing this.
Burn in the light of a dying star.
There's
Gal,
that high.
can you get my bomb next set? I'm at 9 stacks. Fucked.
2, 1.
You need to go down on the safe area.
You will be cast into the void.
That goes to the left.
Eternal
Infinite Duress. Alright, personals. There's bomb 1, bomb 2, and then just
get
damage the
another
boss.
scroll before we go.
Alright, come stack on me, guys. I'm on X. Come stack on me. We're gonna look for a hole here in a second. Just keep damaging the boss. Right behind us. Here. Come on here.
Witness my ascension. Gaze into the
Now we're down.
endless
You're chilling.
dark and despair.
Don't come up early. That's your only job down here. You're just mad chilling. We got Aberrus for years. You're up in 5. 3, 2, 1. Run this to X or fuck off. Ads.
Out here.
At pot, all cooldowns. Rip them.
Burn in the light of a dying star.
Get in safe. You're just chilling
No rip.
safe. Get the barrage out. Get barrage out. Barrage to the end.
3, 2, 1.
Good job. Now just natty the boss. When the Duresses come out, you're going to personal it, okay?
Eternal suffering.
Duress is personal. Duress is personal. Run to the end. We're going to run out here in a second towards the moon. Run out towards moon. Stand in front of them. Personals, cooldowns. Personals, cooldowns. Knock us now, Bend. Kill the boss. Everything you got. Every cooldown, every DPS, everything. Come on, let's go.
Use your
Don't
beat.
let these guys cut. Don't let these guys cast. Don't let these guys cast. Here we go.
Shit, everybody, let's fucking go!